Sabrina.
I'm Olivia. I'm Evan.
And today we're going to share with you something fun I got in the mail for my online ESL classroom. What did we get, Evan?
Noise maker lights and sound buzzers.
We got lights and sound buzzers from Learning Resources. Recently, in an online workshop, I learned to use a bell when you're teaching. It kind of adds some fun atmosphere when they get a question right or just for fun. So I've been using this one occasionally, but I thought these would be even more fun. They are from Learning Resources, and inside you get 4 fun buzzers. Look at those, all kinds of colors. I thought that one's fun. It's a charge. Da, 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 da. And this one, I thought this one would be great for the UFO game. And I don't know when I'm going to use that, but I'll use it. A hospital lesson might be good to use it in.
Yeah.
Or a sick lesson, you know. Might have to go to the hospital. Oh no. I don't know. And this one.
Mommy, what?
If you want to add some fun to your classroom, get yourself some lights and sound buzzers by Learning Resources. It should be a lot of fun. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you want to get some of these awesome buzzers, there's a link in the description. If you like this video, click the link below to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Happy teaching!